Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Robinhood Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet app on your device. And from the homepage, you can tap on the Create New Wallet button in order to sign up. Now tap on Secure with Biometrics and then provide your biometric verification within your device. Now tap on Backup Now in order to back up the seed phrase of your wallet. You have two different options for backing this up. You can either tap on the Backup to Google Drive option, from which you can select your preferred Google account where your seed phrase will be backed up. It is however recommended that you manually back up your seed phrase using the manual backup. Now you will be taken into the screen, which is protected for privacy reasons. You can tap on the View Phrase option, and once you tap on it, you will need to accept and continue and provide your biometrics to view your seed phrase. You will also need to provide your biometric verification in order to copy the secret recovery phrase onto your clipboard. Once you have backed up your seed phrase, tap on the Continue button and then confirm by tapping on Yes. Now your wallet is all set and ready to go. Tap on the Let's Go button and you will be taken into your newly created wallet right away. And now you can complete your verification to start depositing, trading, and withdrawing your cryptos. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Robinhood Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.